Okay, peeps. And I don't know if you could figure out what these are, but these are little roach motels that I'm making. You see, I have cats, and when I put these out, which I'm going to put them inside the cabinets, I'm going to put these little lids. So as you can see, they have lids on them here. These are old cream cheese containers that I got from 99-cent store. Paid about $1 for them at the 99-cent store. That's a joke. Anyways, as you can see, they're very inviting. I created a little porch, as you can see right here. There's three holes on each of these. And of course I don't have free food on the back here because, you know, that's the back of the house. Anyways, they're supposed to go inside and eat the poison. See, this one has free Wi-Fi. I'm actually doing a test. These two have free food and home sweet home. This one does not have free food. It has free Wi-Fi, but there is free food inside. And the actual way to make it, this guy had a video on YouTube. He took some peanut butter, a little bit of peanut butter, put it in the microwave and mixed borax with it, and put a little dab of it on a little lid, and it just sets it around. Well, I have cats and I don't want them getting inside of it, so they'll eat the borax and go back to their nest and then kill the rest of the clan. And it also works for ants as well. So anyways, we're going to give this a go and see how it works. And by the way, I'm not putting these out where the cats can get them. They're going in the back of cabinets and possibly out on the front porch. And no cat's going to be able to get inside these things because I'm going to tape them up real good. Anyways, we'll see how it goes.